So one of your xenon headlights have gone out. What to do next? I'll show you how to diagnose and replace them. And make sure your car has bright headlights. Let's go! So first off we will remove the bulbs. And on this car we have these thingies here that will make removing the complete assembly or the headlight really easy. But on your car it might be different setup. And you might be able to get the bulbs out from here, but on this car I will remove the headlight assemblies on both sides and we will swap the bulbs. Once we have swapped the bulbs, we can see that the problem occurs on the other side. Then we know it is the bulbs and not the ballasts or the wiring. And we are hoping that it is the bulb because that's easiest to change. Maybe not cheapest, but easiest. I wish every car had this construction for the headlights. Okay, so we have the headlight assembly here, and on the back we have this hinge thingy there we can move aside, and we have some tabs, I think 2 on the top. Can push down on and away, and this opens up, and here we have the xenon headlight, and we are working with high voltage stuff here, so be careful. Even though you have removed the headlight from the car, there might be residual power left in stuff here, so don't try to touch the connectors when they are open and so on. Okay, so there's an ear in here that we need to move in and to the left. And that should release the xenon bulb. Okay, of course we should have removed the wire first. It just pulls straight down. Then we go at that one and the bulb comes out. Just like that. You can look at the markings and make sure you get the same kind. This is an aftermarket one apparently, but the D1S is the type of xenon headlight you should get for this car apparently. Also check your owner's manual, it might say exactly which bulb you should get. But let's swap these over and see if the problem moves. Okay, we have the same aftermarket kind here, and we will move them and take the other one inside of here. You need to make sure that you get that hooked in correctly. You can see the plastic tabs and the where it goes in there. And then we'll get the connector in again. Just push it straight in. Just like so. And yes, much as I hoped, the error has moved to the other headlight. So we have a bad xenon bulb, So I will go ahead and get 2 new ones. I suggest replacing them in pairs because both these were aftermarket, so they were probably replaced at the same time. And thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. And if I can do it, you can do it. So take care of your car.